Last week we talked about hard hats. This week we're going to talk about gloves. OSHA standard for hand protection requires us as an employer to provide the hand protection for you and for you as an employee to use personal protective equipment such as gloves that are designed to help protect you from injuries such as cuts and scrapes and punctures in heat or cold. So it's vitally important to make certain that the gloves you select for use are adequate to protect against the specific hazards you come across while you're at work. Now, protective gloves are made from a variety of materials, but not all glove materials offer adequate protection from all workplace hazards. So here's an overview of different glove materials and the type of hazards they offer protection against. Sturdy gloves made from metal mesh or leather or canvas can help protect your hands against cuts and burns. Thick leather or canvas gloves also protect against sustained heat. Leather gloves also protect against sparks, moderate heat, blows, chips, and rough objects. Fabric gloves, like cotton, the kind that we tend to use during the winter for liners, protect against dirt, slivers, chafing, and abrasions. They don't provide sufficient protection for use with rough, sharp, or heavy materials. Adding a plastic coating will strengthen some fabric gloves. Coated fabric gloves offer general purpose hand protection, offering slip resistant qualities. These gloves are used for tasks ranging from handling bricks and wire to chemical laboratory containers. Aramid fiber gloves protect against heat and cold. They're cut and abrasive resistant and wear well. Aluminized gloves provide reflective and insulating protection against heat, but require an insert made of synthetic materials to protect against heat and cold. Of course, no glove is going to protect your hands if you're not wearing them. And gloves will eventually wear out and they need to be replaced. So if this is an issue, or if you have any concerns about the gloves you're currently using, and the fact that perhaps they're not protecting your hands adequately, notify your supervisor right away so that we can get you some replacement gloves when they're needed. And so we can schedule a new PPE hazard assessment if that's necessary. Now, your foreman should have gloves. We purchased them for you. So in his truck somewhere, there should be a stock of gloves so that when your gloves wear out or become destroyed through use, then you can get a new pair. Obviously, the intention is that you use them long enough to wear them out. So having said that, make sure that as you work daily, you are using your personal protective equipment, you are making use of the gloves that we provide so that you can keep your hands in as good a shape as you can as long as you possibly can.